Today we're going to be covering up this little opening here for the front inside hubcap. So with that said, got this part number here, 70540267777. That goes cover this little opening where it's starting to rust. So what we want to do is cover it up with this cap hub, as they call it. So we'll go ahead and get that done. So what we want to focus on is putting the cap right over here, but then also there's a hole right here where it snaps into on both sides. So that's what we'll probably do first, is get one end where the hole is at, and then try to squeeze this one in somehow, and it should snap in place like so. Now you have a cover for the inside hubcap here, and it's not going anywhere. It's pretty tight. And you'll do the same thing on the other side. Now, this should have been something that should have been installed by the dealer, but unfortunately it's something they left out. So these are reasonably cheap. They're about $5 something on eBay or Amazon, so you can get these rather easily online. So that's it. Easy installation, just snap in place. Thanks for watching.